Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video, I will show you that how you can convert image into a text. For example, if you have an image and there are some text over the image, so you can extract those texts from the image and convert into a text. Let me show you how you can do it practically. So as you can see, we are on the website of Small SEO Tool. So this is the tool which we're going to use. They have a bunch of tools. So this is in this video, I'm covering this image to text converter. Simply click on this and you will come here. From here you have to upload your file. Again, you will get two up to three options which you can use it for uploading your file, but I'm going to upload it from my computer. You can do it from Google Drive, Dropbox, and simply put an URL of an image from any website. So I will do it from my desktop. Click on this upload image and I will simply select the image which I want to upload. Image is successfully uploaded. Now what I have to do, I will simply click on this convert, and here I have to just bypass this one. I have to select bridge, and once it's done I have to click on verify, and now you have to wait for a few seconds. It will automatically extract. Then you have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that the entire text is extracted from the images, and now you can use it in your articles wherever you want to use it. So this is how you can use this tool. I hope you would like it. If you have any questions, any doubt, write in the comment section. I would love to help you out in that. And the next video I will show you that how you can use translate English to English of Small SEO Tool. So this is a tool which we have in this Small SEO Tool series. I will tell you that why it's English to English and how you can use it for a more better way. So that's it in this video. Hope you like it. Leave the comment if you have any query for that.